Do you ever wish you were a mind reader and could control what people thought of you without talking out loud? Or do you wish you could speak to people in a more memorable, confident way? Thanks to the science of psychology, there are little things you can do to help control your relationships and even how people perceive you. And you don't need any magical powers to make it happen, just good old-fashioned mind tricks. Let's count it down from number 10. Number 10. Find out if someone is secretly looking at you. Picture this. You're sitting in class and looking over your shoulder at the person sitting behind you, only to find that they're looking out the window, but you could have sworn you felt them staring at you. If you want to learn if someone has been looking at you, try yawning. No, it's not some secret code, but if someone is looking at you and you happen to yawn, they won't be able to help but yawn themselves. This phenomenon is called contagious yawning. According to Psychology Today, scientists still haven't managed to pinpoint exactly why people yawn when they see others yawn, but they do know it happens to both humans and chimpanzees. Some guess it has to do with a human's ability to empathize. But no matter the reason, when people see others yawn, they do it too. Number 9. Defuse a conflict with food. Have you ever felt mad while taking a bite out of a delicious burrito? Probably not, unless you ordered a burger. The point is, food is a great way to calm people down and diffuse uncomfortable situations. Let's say you've gotten into an argument with your significant other and need to talk things out. Instead of meeting at home or a park, pick a restaurant. Once food is in front of you, your focus splits between the issue and the meal. The food relieves tension since you'll care more about eating than arguing. Bonus: settling conflicts in public keeps things from getting too heated. Even on awkward first dates, food is a great icebreaker. Focusing on your plate is way more comfortable than staring into a stranger's eyes all night. Number 8. Get someone to tell you more. They say silence is golden, and when it comes to getting someone to spill the beans, it's a winning ticket. If you're not getting deep answers, stay silent after asking a question. The other person will fill the gap, often saying more than they intended. Number 7. Make yourself memorable in job interviews. Stressed about job interviews? Use the serial position effect. People remember the first and last parts of things, not the middle. In your interview, insert your name and key points at the beginning and end. And if all else fails, well, you could wear a weird hat. Just kidding, don't do that. Number 6. Form stronger bonds with people. Remember feeling close to childhood teammates? Being active together builds bonds fast. Instead of movies or dinner, try rock climbing or an amusement park. Adrenaline releases endorphins, putting you in a better mood and making you more enthusiastic about the person you're with. Number 5. Control people's assumptions. First impressions matter. To steer assumptions, highlight a commonality, like growing up in the same town. Thanks to the halo effect, they'll associate you with positive traits tied to themselves. It's better than shouting, "like me," at strangers. Number 4. Make someone feel important. Use their name often in conversation. Also, paraphrase their words back to them. It shows you're listening. Example: if they say, "The store was out of my favorite bread," respond, "Wow, they didn't even carry it?" Number 3. Get someone to help you. Need a favor? Pose a false dilemma. Would it be easier to feed my cat in the morning or evening? They'll pick a time instead of saying no. Number 2. Get people to believe in you. Drop phrases like "I think." They make you sound unsure. Confidence equals credibility. Number 1. Keep people's attention. Eye contact makes people listen and even agree with you more. Nod while speaking to amplify confidence. They'll nod along. So, pretty cool, huh? Try these tricks and let us know if they worked. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.